Okay, right now I'm going to make this 5 capacity tubular magazine into 2. Migratory birds as well as small game in some states, like here in Kentucky, the most shells you can have is 1 in the chamber, 2 in the tube. So I'm going to make this where it only holds 2. Now, if you like to shoot at the range or shoot a lot of rounds, you can purchase a hunting capacity magazine from Henry. This is a Henry 410. I'm doing a spring squirrel hunt real soon. I don't even have time to order the hunting magazine. So I'm going to just make this one into a magazine that will be legal for hunting here in Kentucky. So to start with, there's a pin that holds the end in here, the knurl knob. You can use whatever you want, a punch preferably. I've got a screw and a little nail. It'll slide right out. Pull the end off, the spring will come out. Now what you want to do here is take a coat hanger. I've already cut this one off. You can just cut it with some snips. Take 2 410 round. Put your 2 rounds in the magazine. Put your cap on. Put your plug in. You have your 2 rounds in. You want to mark it here, but you got to account for this distance as well. So just I would add 1 inch even to this dimension. Mark it there. It's about 1 inch more. Cut it. Now slide your plug onto the spring. This hanger is the fat kind, and it fits perfectly in this spring, which will keep it from moving around in there. You can use if you're in a pinch and can't find one, you can use any plastic hanger will work. I like this one because it just can't slide around. So get your plug in, your magazine. Take the end out. Okay, once you have your plug and your spring, you should get your end, the push plug that pushes the rounds, and just get the spring around that, because you can get it on top, and that's not ideal. It would probably find its way on there, but get it on there. And then slide it into the tube. Take your end, stick it on. Take your pin, get it started in, that'll hold it. Just tap it. Tap it till it's flush on this side. Right there. Now load 2 rounds and test it. Make sure. Put 3 rounds. Remember, 1 in the chamber and 2 in the magazine. So this should not fit. So it stops right there. So it'll only hold 2, which is what we're looking for. 2 rounds in the magazine, and there you have it.